Then you can say. Yeah. Yeah. Who wants to say? Someone wanted to say something? Please open the mic and talk.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, please
Sir.
go ahead.
Yeah, sir, I wanted to share something.
Yeah, please go ahead.
I was going to have a tough day today because I was appointed as a counselor in one of the schools in New Bombay.
Please
And,
clap, team. Please clap, team. The school has made a wonderful choice.
No, sir. But the coordinator somewhere, instead of the counseling role, wanted to write a book, and I wrote her a mail yesterday that I am not inclined or I am not trained to do something like this. I was being very honest to her. And somewhere it was eating me up. And she just wrote a line saying, okay, thank you. And that was very curt. So before going to the school and speaking to my PRO, I did the circle of excellence that you were teaching us the other day. And the entire way from my house till the school, I was going on saying the circle of excellence, and because somewhere I had lost my confidence. And when I spoke to the PRO after the entire session, we still want to know what has happened. But the confidence that I spoke to the PRO with was really amazing. So this is what I wanted to share with you, sir. I mean, it really helps.
Team, this is what the real thing. Actually, Circle of Excellence from NLP, not only Circle of Excellence, NLP has so many techniques, I'm telling you. Team, actually, I joined a company as a peon. My first salary was 160 rupees. My first salary was 160 rupees. I joined as a peon. I used to take coffee and tea to the people. Okay, that is how I started my journey. I discontinued my studies in 8th standard. My father died when I was studying 8th standard. I discontinued my studies. 10th, I did it through correspondence, 11th correspondence, 12th correspondence. I never went to school. I never went to college. Regular college, I never went. But after learning NLP, I have trained professors and lectures in NLP. I have trained professors and lectures, but I have not visited any college. Why I'm telling NLP is so powerful, team, and Gayatri ma'am is the living example for that. Thank you very much, Gayatri ma'am. It is a wonderful sharing.
So thank you to you. Thank you to you. Because had it been not you, sir, that day it would have been difficult.
No, ma'am. It is not me, ma'am. It is not me. Circle of Excellence has been done by someone. Just I am a postman, ma'am. I am a postman between a Richard Bandler and Gayatri. Shivakumar is a postman. Gayatri believed in it, so it got worked. There are people who don't believe. Okay. See, there is a Gayatri ma'am, I think you are from Tamil Nadu. There is a very nice...
Sir, I'm a North Indian.
Yeah, you look like a typical in South Indian. There is a very nice song in Tamil. If you think it is a stone, it is a stone. If you think it is a God, it is a God. Your thinking makes. If you think it is God, it is Vinayaka. It is powerful. It is powerful. It is God.